Here, finding the largest element in the array, and in the same way, finding the smallest element in the array. You can write individual programs or you can write in a single program itself. I'm taking some elements like a 3, 6, 4, 7, 2, 9, 8, 5, and some values we are taking. I just want to find the largest element here. And here I'm mentioning that index also to understand more clearly. Index. Here, first you just take one variable large. Large is equal to store zeroth location element into that large. Just consider only the first element is the largest element in the array. As of now, largest element is a 3. Okay, now you just repeat the loop from first location because zeroth location is not required. Zeroth location is not required. From the first location, just repeat the loop. Check the number. This is index number. I'm writing the logic along with this. I'm taking the code integer large equals to error of 0. Repeating the loop from not from zeroth location because one step is extra, not required. Starting from 1, ending with the total length minus 1, I plus plus, I plus plus. Here, what we have to do? Every time that element you are comparing with this largest element. Suppose if you combine, know that this index element is greater than this element. Yes, 6 is greater than 3. If index element is in which location? Error of I is greater than large. Yes, greater than large. Store that element into this large. Into this large is nothing but into this large ARR of I will go and store. Now 6 is the largest element. Compare 4 with the 6? No. Compare 7 with the 6? Yes. You are finding another one. So here it is 7 is the largest now. Compare 7 with the 2? No. Compare 7 with the 9? Yes. We found one more. That 9 will be the largest. Next year comparing 8? No. Comparing 5? No. Finally, that large variable consists the largest element. Just we are printing here. We are printing that large. This is the simple way of finding the largest element in the array as well as a smallest element, just opposite one. Now, if you want to code it, just take element int large is equal to ARR of 0. I'll write in all the ways and you also please write in all the ways, a very important. Large, and repeat the loop from first location to last location. First location to last location, that is n minus 1, I plus plus. Inside, if you are finding the index number is greater than the large, then you store that index value into that large. And here we are printing that one. Print ln large. What is that largest element in the array is a 9. That 9 is printing. This is what? Finding the largest element in the array. Finding the largest element in the array. This is one code. Now observe this. We are writing one more code. Here I am writing that small. It's the same story. Error of 0, repeating the loop from first location to last location. If that index element is lesser than the smallest element that you consider, store that value into that small. We are finding the smallest element in the array. So what is the smallest element? First you consider 3, but somewhere you found that 2. This is what? Finding the smallest element in the array is a okay. Smallest element. Now the question is, sir, at a time, I just want to find the largest and the smallest. Largest and smallest. Take that large, error of 0. Take that small also, error of 0. At a time, consider. At a time. So one loop is for finding, one if block is for finding that large. One if block is for finding the small. Small equal to error of I. Error of I. So at a time, printing the largest element and printing the smallest element in the array. Both 9 and 2. 9 and 2 at a time we are printing. Finding the largest element as well as finding the smallest element in the array. Please write all the 3 codes, everyone.